Hello guys, in this video we are doing a DSA question. Name of question is longest palindromic substring. So how we can find out the longest size of the palindromic substring? So first of all, the meaning of palindromic, guys. When we read a string from the starting point or the ending point, the meaning remaining same. This is the meaning of palindrome. Okay, so here in this question you can see here there are a string given. This race car is good. In this string, you can see here the longest palindromic substring present in this race car. Okay, when you read from starting point RACECAR, race car, and when you reading from the last word RACECAR, the meaning remaining same. Like I am writing here RACE race and CAR. When you're reading from this side, this is race car, and when you're reading from this side, this is race car. So how we can do this question, guys? So for doing this question, there are simple approach. What we can do here, we are running two loops. Okay, the first for loop for iterating the each letter from the starting to end. Okay, so when we iterating our first for loop, so like first of all, I telling the approach. After that, we are doing the code also. So when I iterating first loop, like I is equal to 0. So guys, in this, I am covering the first letter here, first character. Okay. So when this character is covered, then we have not need to this character again. At next time, we are taking the second letter. Okay. So the outer loop, like this for loop, outer for loop doing this work. Okay. So in one more for loop is here, for loop, inner for loop. So the meaning of inner for loop here is this for loop, like I am starting J is starting from I. So what is the value of I? I is the latest value. Like in first iteration, T is cover, and second iteration, H is cover. So for the further explanation, I think I should open the code. Okay. So guys, this is our class longest palindromic substring. So first of all, I am creating a scanner class, like I am importing the scanner class for the input taking. So how we can import java dot util dot star or dot scanner, you can use anything. Okay, after that I am creating the main class. Our main class is created, public static void main string args. So after that I am creating a scanner class object. Scanner HC is equal to new scanner, and in new scanner system dot in. So this is also created, and our input is like this, guys. This race car is good. Okay, so our input is like this in this question. So how we can take this input? So I am creating a string. So the name of string is, I am writing here s is equal to, you can use sc dot next line or next, because you are using both things. Okay, so after that I am creating a count variable here for the counting the longest substring that has palindrome. So count value is 0 at starting time. Okay, so after that, guys, what we can do here, we are iterating a for loop for generating the substrings. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot length and I increment. Okay, so after it, how we can store the each character of this string? So we can create a container for this. So for the container, I am using the string builder, because string builder is best approach. String is not good in Java. So because string is created object again and again, so that's why I am creating string builder. So the name of string builder is, I am writing here some usual like bag. String builder bag is equal to new string builder. So our string builder is created, guys. After it, we are iterating our inner loop. Okay, and our inner loop is starting from the I. So int j is equal to I, and j is less than same s dot length and j increment. So after that, we append the each letter in our bag. So how we can append, guys? So there are a method that are append in string builder. S and s dot, s is our whole string. S dot caret j, not I. Okay, because the inner loop is iterating j. Okay, so this is, we are appending our j, s dot caret j. So after it, guys, we are checking every time, because at first of all, you can see here, when I is equal to 0, then our inner loop is running. At that time, we are appending our first letter. So the T is append in string builder bag. So after that, we can reverse this string builder to check the, like, if the reverse and our original bag is same, then we can say that the length is increase. Like count is 0, we can increase the count value at that time. Like if t, the first of all bag contain t, when we reverse the bag, then t is equal to t, then at that time we can say that the string builder, like count value is 1 here, because the longest substring till now is 1. After that, we find out the more long substring that have palindrome, then we increase the value. So how we can reverse? So this thing, I am creating a again string builder, stri string builder. So string builder, the name of string builder here is reverse. Reverse is equal to new string builder. So this is our reverse string builder. So in this, what can I do here? I am passing bag dot to string. So I want to reverse this thing. So I convert to, because bag is string builder type. So I am converting this into the to string type. So after that, what we can write here, we can use this method for using reverse dot rev, the name of our reverse string builder, rev dot reverse. Okay. So doing this operation, our bag is reverse now. Okay. So after that, doing this operation, we are checking if our bag, like I am converting in to string, because I want to check bag dot to string dot equals and equals reverse. So I am converting the reverse also dot to string, reverse dot to string. So if the both are equal, and checking if our length, like length, like our count. So count is the length of our bag that are the storing the palindrome value. So if they are equal and the count length, like at first of all, assume that first of all our, like, bag is containing only t. Okay, at that time the length of our count is one here. When we find out the long palindrome in our string, at that time we can check if our count is less bag dot length, bag dot length. At that time, what we can do here, guys, we can simply assign the value like count is equal to bag dot length. Why I am assigning? Because we find out one more, like the length of the string is bigger than count, and that's why I assign the value to the count, because we find out one more palindrome, because bag is reverse. When we are reversing our bag, so you can see here is our bag, and we are reversing here. When they both are equal, means they are palindrome, and the count value at first of all 1, and after the reversing they are equal, then count is also if less than bag dot length. At that time we can assign the value of bag dot length or reverse dot length, both things okay now, huh? So both things is okay here. So that's why I am writing here count is equal to bag dot length. After here, guys, what we can write? So this is our, at that line, our loop is closed, this for loop. And after it, we can simply shout our value system.out.println, and what we are printing here, count. Okay. So I am created code now. So now I am running the code. So run Java, and I am passing a value here. So I am passing anything, and I am passing one race, car, and passing something. Okay. So in this, you can see here the longest substring, that is palindrome, is RACECAR, lie in between this string. Okay. So our result is okay, and I am running one time again for another run Java. So I am passing here ASDF, FDSA, and GHJK. Okay, so here you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, I think 8 is answer our. So you can see here our longest palindromic substring in this string is 8. So this is the simple code of find the longest substring, that is palindrome. So you can see here, first of all, we are creating a scanner class object for the input taking. After that, we are creating a count variable. Then these two for loop for the creating the substring. Okay, we are storing our each character in bag. After that, we are reverse this bag here. Okay, so at the time of reversing, we are checking if the bag and the reverse both container are equal. At that time our count is less than bag dot length, so at that time we can assign the value to the bigger value because the count value is less than, so we assign the value to the count. Okay, so after that we are printing the count. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask me in the comment section. And that's all about the video. If you like little bit, then you can like the video, and if you like the more than little bit, you can subscribe channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys. मिलते हैं किसी न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.